Hi everyone, this month we'll be working on lens effects on impact. So basically those will be very stylized impacts that we're gonna do. As you can see here, the melee hit got exactly the same amount of percentages. However, we're just gonna pick the first one on the list as we usually do, and next month I'm gonna throw melee hit first in case we're gonna have a similar situation with some other options. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dive into Substance, we're gonna create a couple textures. I think there will be roughly about 5 textures, and we're gonna throw them all into the engines, both Unity and Unreal Engine. So this is what I've got. We've got some sparks there as well, but mainly we have various textures here. I'm gonna show you a couple erosion techniques, which mainly will be using either noise textures, or we're gonna create a erosion map from the bevel node in Substance. And that's how we're gonna drive the erosion for some of those impacts. And in Unity, as you can see, I've got similar things. So we still got sparks, we got those textures in, and we're gonna create that material with the erosion as well. So you have an option, which erosion do you prefer? And obviously different impacts will look better with the different erosions. So I'm just gonna run you through this subject and explain everything as usual on Patreon from scratch. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this one, and thank you so much for your support.